walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting...
Do you know you could use parsley leaf and oats as a hair mask in your hair care routine? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Echo Jane, and on this channel I bring to you all things natural hair recipes, lifestyle and travel. So if you like videos like this, please do consider subscribing. Turn on your post notification button so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below because this helps the algorithm recommends my video to others, and I need it, guys, please. So don't forget to watch the ads to the end as well, because that is the only way I can make money on my channel. So please help push your girl up there. In today's video, we'll be talking about an all natural hair care combo you are going to love: parsley leaf, aloe vera, oats and rosemary leaves hair mask. So each of these ingredients pack a powerful punch for healthy and beautiful hair with amazing benefits for hair growth, hydration and overall hair health. So let's dive into their benefits and how to use them. First of all, let's start with parsley leaf. Parsley leaves help to strengthen hair follicles and promote scalp health. Parsley leaf is more than just a garnish. It's rich in vitamin C, which can help boost collagen production, strengthening hair from the roots, making your hair stronger and reducing breakage. It also has antioxidants that helps fight free radicals, which also helps scalp health and reduce oxidative stress, which can reduce hair fall, inflammation, and improve scalp circulation. It also promotes healthy scalp, creating an ideal environment which leads to hair growth and potentially reducing hair loss. Also, parsley leaf is packed with minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium, which are great for promoting hair growth. These minerals boost blood circulation to the scalp and ensure that hair follicles receives the nutrients they need. Up next is aloe vera. Aloe vera is an all-time favorite for moisturizing. It's a hair care superstar. Aloe vera hydrates the scalp and hair deeply with its water-rich content, which is essential for preventing dryness and bristleness. It's also full of enzymes that remove dead skin cells, improving scalp health, and can also help to soothe and reduce scalp irritation, making it ideal for people with sensitive skin as well as reduce dandruff. Aloe vera's hydrating properties help keep your hair soft, smooth, and super shiny. The next ingredient is oats. I never knew oats can be used on the hair just to consume, but after doing my research I find that oats are incredibly nourishing. Oats are full of proteins, vitamins and minerals like zinc and iron, which are crucial for healthy hair growth. These nutrients strengthen hair strands, making them more resilient to damage. Oat also helps to soothe the hair shaft, reducing frizzy and adding a natural shine, which are fantastic for hydration, especially for dry and frizzy hair. Last but not the least is our fresh rosemary leaves. These are packed with benefits that you cannot even comprehend for your hair, making them a popular natural ingredient in the hair care routines. Yes, the first is that rosemary improves blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth. Fresh rosemary are packed with benefits for your hair, making them a very popular natural ingredient in our hair care routines. Rosemary promotes hair growth as it improves blood circulation to the scalp, which can stimulate hair follicles and encourages hair growth. Some studies even suggest it may work as effectively as certain hair growth medications. Rosemary also strengthens hairs. The antioxidants in rosemary help strengthen hair, making it more resilient to environmental damage and reducing breakage and split ends. Rosemary also reduces dandruff. Rosemary antifungal and antibacterial properties can help reduce dandruff and flakiness by addressing scalp issues and soothing irritation. Also, rosemary adds shine and darkens hair. Rosemary naturally adds shines to hair and can enhance darker hair tones, making it especially great for brunettes looking to enrich their natural colors. Rosemary also reduces scalp inflammation. With its anti-inflammatory properties, rosemary can reduce scalp irritation and create a healthy foundation for hair growth. Therefore, to make these hair masks, we'll blend our fresh parsley leaves, aloe vera gel, oatmeal, rosemary leaves into a smooth paste. But before you add your oatmeal to the blender, you need to cook your oatmeal for a few minutes. Then you add everything to your blender. Blend them to make a smooth paste. Then you sieve the blended marks to remove all the shaft that is there, because you don't want any of those in your hair at all. Trust me on that. Before you apply the hair mask to your hair, you add a little honey, about a tablespoon or two, to your mask. Then you apply it from roots to tips. Leave it on for about 30 to 40 minutes, then you can rinse it out. This hair mask will leave your hair so soft, hydrated and full of life. And there you have an all-powerful natural hair mask with no chemical added at all. So guys, give these DIY masks a try. Let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on your post notification button for more natural hair care tips like this. And I will see you in another video. It's your girl signing out. Love you guys.